Coming to the boot camp, I have really got some answers for questions I've had for years.
I thought it was fantastic. I think the idea of the boot camp is what a lot of us need to just push us over through the barriers that we face individually.
At the boot camp, there are as many people and you get a lot of one-on-one attention, and there's always somebody to ask a question.
My situation is I wanted to have a business I could do from home. I've been a truck driver for a lot of years, so I've been away from home a lot. And I'm getting closer to retirement age, and I wanted something I could do from home to make some money. And this fits perfectly. So, and now it's, you know, I wasn't sure if it was achievable before, but now I have no doubt.